Are you looking for that riddle that will take you to exotic places and help you make lots of money? My name is Elise Erickson, and I'm going to share with you the riddle of the exporter. It goes like this. I'm a USPPI with a product that's an EAR 99, not on the CCL, and going to somewhere not on the CCC, and not to an SDN. Am I okay? Do I contact the DOC or the BIS? And do I need an HTS or an ECCN to file my EEI with the AES? Do I ship it FCA or CIP? And just to make sure I CMA, cover my ass, do I use an LC? You tell me. Now before you gasp and say I will never be able to solve that riddle, I make a pledge to you that together you and I can and will solve the riddle of the exporter. So let's get started and see what exciting things exporting can do for the future of your business.